Children, how are you? I hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. Once again, welcome to the YouTube channel of Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan. Today I am going to teach you Class 7 English Literature, A Gift of Chappals. A smiling Rukumani threw open the door. Ravi and Meena rushed out and Ravi pulled Mridu into the house. Wait, let me take off my slippers, protested Mridu. Rukumani, with a smiling face, opened the door and Ravi and Meena came out quickly. Ravi pulled Mridu inside the house, then Mridu objected that she would at first open her slippers. She set them out neatly near a pair of large black ones. Those were grey, actually with dust. She put her slippers near the large black slippers. Those were grey, actually they became with dust. You could see the clear mark of every toe on the front part of each slipper. On the front part of the slipper, the clear mark of every toe was visible. The marks for the two big toes were long and scrawny, and the big toes mark were long and looking very unpleasant. Mridu didn't have much time to wonder about whose slippers they were. Mridu had not much time to think about whose slippers were that because Ravi dragged her to the backyard behind a thick bitterberry bush. Because Ravi pulled her to the backyard behind a bush of thick bitterberry. There, inside a torn football lined with sacking and filled with sand, lay a very small kitten lapping up milk from a coconut half shell. There was a torn football lined with sacking, and it was filled with sand, and in that there was a very small kitten which was lapping up means licking up milk, which was kept in a coconut half shell. We found him outside the gate this morning. Ravi told that they found that kitten outside the gate that morning. He was mewing and mewing. Poor thing, said Meena. It's a secret. Amma says Pati will leave for our Paddu Mama's house if she knows we have a cat. Amma says that Pati will leave for Paddu Mama's house if she knows that they have a cat. So they were putting the cat in a secret. People are always telling us to be kind to animals, but when we are, they scream, "Oh, don't bring that dirty creature here." Generally, people always tell that we should be kind to animals, but when we are kind to animal, then they tell not to bring that dirty creature. Said Ravi, do you know how hard it is just to get a little milk from the kitchen? Ravi said it was very difficult to get a milk from the kitchen. Pati saw me with a glass in my hand just now. I told her I am very hungry, I want to drink it. Pati saw glass in his hand, and then he had to tell lie that he was very hungry, so he had taken milk. And so he wanted to drink it. But the way she looked at me, I had to drink most of all to throw her off the scent. but the way she was looking at him, what did he do? He had to drink most part of the milk so that she would not understand why he had taken the milk. Then she wanted the tumbler back. Then she wanted that container. Tumbler means the glass container back. Pati, I will wash it myself. Then he had to tell that he would wash the tumbler, wash the glass himself. Why should I put you to trouble? He told that he didn't want to put her in trouble, so he would wash it himself. I told her. I had to run and pour the milk into this coconut shell and then run back and wash the tumbler and put it back before she got really suspicious. He went to the backyard and poured the milk in the coconut shell, and before she had any doubt about it, he washed the glass and put it back. Now we have to think of some other way to feed Mahendran. Now he is telling that they had to think other way to feed Mahendran. Mahendran, he gave the name of the cat. Mahendran, this little kitty's name is Mahendran. Mridu was impressed. Mridu was impressed and asked the name of that little kitty was Mahendran. It was a real name, not just a cute kitty cat name. She told that it was the real name, it would not be the name of kitty cat. Actually, his full name is Mahendra Barma Pallava Punai. MP Punai for short. Then he told actually his full name is Mahendra Barma Pallava Punai and in short his name is MP Punai. If you like, he is a fine breed of cat. Just look at his fur like a lion's mane. He told if you like to know, he is a fine breed of cat and his fur is like mane of lion. And you know what the emblem of the ancient Pallava king was? Don't you? He looked expectantly at Mridu. He asked, do you know what is the emblem of the Pallava king? Don't you know? And then he looked expectantly that Mridu would reply. Mridu giggled. Mridu laughed. Think I am joking. Well, just wait. I will show you sometime. Then Ravi told that you are thinking. But he was not joking. He told that sometime he would show. It's clear you don't know a thing about history. Haven't been to Mahabalipuram, have you? He said mysteriously. He said secretly that you haven't been to Mahabalipuram. Well, when our class went to Mahabalipuram, I saw a statue of his Tathas. When our class went to Mahabalipuram, then he saw the statue, etc., etc. Fact is, Mahendran here has descended from that very same ancient cat. Mahendran was the descendant cat of that same ancient cat. Descendant means the offspring. A close relative, scientifically speaking, of none other than the lion. It is a close relative, scientifically speaking, that it is not other than lion. The Pallava lion, emblem of the Pallava dynasty. Pallava lion, which is the emblem of Pallava dynasty. Ravi went on walking around the bitterberry bush. Ravi continued. Ravi went on means Ravi continued. And he was also walking all around the bitterberry bush, waving a twig up and down. And he was waving the twig of the bitterberry bush up and down, his eyes sparkling. and his eyes were also sparkling. This cat is a descendant of none other than the Mahabalipuram Rishi cat. He told that the cat which he had brought was descendant of the Mahabalipuram Rishi cat. And if I may just remind you, they worshipped cats in ancient Egypt. And he also told that he would recalled him that they worshipped cats in ancient Egypt. Today we will read up to this. Again, I will continue the rest part of the lesson in next video. And if you have any confusion, you may ask me in the comment box. Thanks.